Want to create Hollywood-level AI videos without spending a single penny? Let me show you how to use VEO absolutely free. But before that, watch this, and this. Yep, all of them were made using this free AI tool. To use VEO for free, just open Google and type Google AI Studio in the search bar. Now click on the first link you see. It should take you straight to the official website. That's where all the magic begins.
On the left side of the screen, you'll see an option called Generate Media. Go ahead and click on it. Here, you'll find several powerful tools. If you want to create realistic images, you can use Image or the Gemini image generation tool. But today, we're focusing on something even more exciting, VEO. So, click on the VEO option and let's get started.
For the aspect ratio, you'll find two options, 16:9 for landscape and 9:16 for portrait videos. This time, I'm going with 9:16, which is perfect for platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Next, you can choose between VEO2 and VEO3. In my country, VEO3 isn't available yet, so I'll go with VEO2. Now, here's something important. You can generate up to 2 videos at a time, but I personally prefer selecting just 1 video at a time. Now it's time to enter the prompt to generate your video. I've already created a prompt using ChatGPT. Honestly, it's super easy. Just tell ChatGPT what kind of video you want to make, and it'll write the perfect prompt for you. Once you have your prompt, simply copy it and paste it into this box. Now click on the Run button or just press Enter on your keyboard. That's it. Your AI-generated video will be ready in just a few seconds. If you want to create a video from an image, you can do that too. Let me show you how. Just click on this icon and select an image from your device. You can also enter a prompt to tell the AI what kind of motion or style you want, or simply leave it empty. Now click on Run and watch the magic happen. Isn't it beautiful? And that's how you can use VEO completely free. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you'd like a tutorial on the best AI text-to-voice generators. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.